Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to explore an interesting app called PayMe, Claim Your Money by Kinetic Apps. This application is designed to help you uncover and file claims from class action settlements quickly and easily. The app lets you answer a few short questions and instantly see if you're eligible for any active class action claims. It handles the filing process for you, so there's no need to understand complex legal forms or hire an attorney. According to the developers, you can track your payouts, seeing when your claim is submitted, approved, and paid out. The goal is to help everyday people recover money they may be owed from companies that broke the rules. Some of the key features include eligibility matching with current class actions you may qualify for, simplified submission of claims without legal jargon or paperwork, real-time tracking of your claim status from filing to payout, the promise of helping you claim money that would otherwise go unclaimed. It's worth noting that while the app is free to download and begin checking eligibility, full access to claims and payout tracking requires a pro subscription. According to the store listing, the subscription is priced at about $29.99 per year. The app also collects financial and personal info and uses encryption to secure data in transit. If you're someone who thinks you may be eligible for class action settlements, this app offers a streamlined tool to investigate and act. Just remember, eligibility doesn't guarantee a payout, and your results may vary. Always read the terms and confirm any details before subscribing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more app breakdowns like this, please like the video and subscribe. Until next time, keep your eye on your money, and stay savvy.